Good morning. I'm here to show you the portable folding workbench table. It stores in a very small area. You see it takes up about a 20-inch by 4-foot space. Folds right down, sets right up. Just pull that leg. Do this. This leg is latched in place so it won't fall by itself. And everything's locked in, nice, steady, good work table. Has a 3-inch clampable surface all the way around, so you can clamp anything to the table and work on it. I drilled some holes in here, and I've got a pipe that I set up here for the dogs, so I can groom my dogs on the table. Be good for potting plants, doing metal work. You can pound on it. I've got a vise that I put on it and bend steel. It's just very sturdy. And the nice thing about the surface here is over the years, if you ding it up, bust it, whatever you do, it's got like 10 screws in there that holds it on this 2x4 frame, and you can put a brand new top on it and you're good as new, ready to go. When you're done working at the end of the day, just put that up, clamp it, filter over, let that come down, you're ready to roll it right into place. Perfect. Good table.